What's up, guys? I'm Billy with Briggs JCB. Today we're out here at the Tampa International Airport making a delivery of the brand new 300T that they have acquired. This machine is going to be used primarily for vegetation management around the airport, cleaning out safety areas along the runways. They're getting it with a slew of attachments, with a pecan mulcher, with a dirt bucket, pallet forks, a trencher, a stump grinder, and an auger. This machine will complement very well with their existing 3TS wheeled skid steers that they have. I just want to take this time to thank them for being a valued customer and trusting Briggs JCB with their equipment needs, and look forward to working with them more in the future. I'm standing next to a brand new JCB 300T compact track loader. This particular model has the forestry package, so you'll see it's got front impact protection, side protection, and then follow-over protection up top. This is the new and improved 3.2 series from JCB. So you're going to have a new cab layout. So you've got an air suspension seat. This door is actually a new design with a new hinge. So it actually swings a little wider, giving you easier access into the cab. And then along with that comes a new dash layout. So you've got your HVAC controls up here. Radio is mounted instead of inside of the dash, it's actually out, and you can adjust it up or down. You've got a touchscreen display, which includes a rear view camera, and then all of your operator buttons right here are easily accessible from the joystick. So instead of them being way up top, they're right, very easily accessible when your hands are on the joysticks. Per usual JCB manufacturing, obviously you have the side entry door, which is makes it the safest skid steer on the market. Along with that, you gain tremendous visibility all the way around the machine. So you have the industry exclusive side arm. It is a high vis arm, so it sits very low. So again, it increases your visibility all the way around to the cab of the machine, which again ties into that safety aspect on JCB track loaders. Standard 17.7 inch solid steel rubber track. You've got the heavy duty tread here, so that's great. We're in Florida, so the terrain can be various. So that's a great complement to the machine. Kind of walking around the side here again. This particular model's got the forestry package, so you've got guarding steel mesh all the way around the machine, including your protection on your air conditioning unit. The 300T comes standard with a rear counterweight, giving you that extra stability when you're lifting heavy loads. Rear view camera on this machine. That is a standard feature for Yellow Series track loaders. And then nothing changed here, but this is a point I like to go over. You've got your JCB EcoMax engine. All your filters and all your maintenance elements are easily accessible. Nothing inside the cab that you've got to do for regular maintenance. All your sight glasses are easily accessible, easy to read, and perform your daily services and preventative maintenance. So that wraps it up for us here. Again, thank you very much to Tampa International Airport for their purchase and their acquisition of this unit. We've got units in stock, guys. Happy to help you any way we can. Call your local dealer, and be happy to help you in the future.